Introduction to Tracking in Babbel Kids.
The Babbel Kids makes it easy for parents to stay informed about their child's language learning. The app offers built-in tools for monitoring progress, so you can celebrate achievements and identify areas for improvement. In this tutorial, learn how to use these features to keep your child motivated and on track.
Accessing the Progress dashboard.
To begin, open Babbel Kids and log into your parent account. Navigate to the Progress dashboard in the main menu. Here, you'll see an overview of your child's completed lessons, current learning streak, and recently unlocked achievements, all in one convenient place.
Understanding learning milestones.
The Progress dashboard highlights key learning milestones such as vocabulary learned, completed topics, and daily activity. Badges are awarded when your child reaches goals like new word counts or finishing a lesson set, making progress both clear and motivating. This helps you easily track development over time.
Viewing detailed lesson reports.
For deeper insights, select your child's profile and view detailed lesson reports. These reports show strengths and areas for improvement, with breakdowns on quiz results, time spent on activities, and suggestions for what to practice next. This information supports targeted encouragement and learning.
Setting goals and encouraging engagement.
Use the tracking features to set achievable learning goals with your child. Talk about progress together, reward milestones, and encourage regular practice by reviewing dashboard updates. Monitoring through Babbel Kids not only helps keep your child engaged, but also fosters a positive and meaningful learning experience.